This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a tire. Start by finding a safe, flat spot away from moving traffic. Safety is paramount, so engage your parking brake and activate your hazard lights immediately. Gather your essential tools, the spare tire, vehicle jack, and lug wrench. These are typically found in your trunk. For added security, place wheel chocks behind the tire diagonally opposite the flat one. This prevents any unwanted movement while you work. Now, if your wheel has a hubcap, carefully remove it to expose the lug nuts. Using your lug wrench, loosen each lug nut about 1/2 to 1 full turn counterclockwise. Don't remove them completely yet. Next, position the jack firmly under the vehicle's frame, close to the flat tire. Slowly raise the vehicle until the flat tire is approximately 6 inches off the ground, ensuring it clears the ground completely. With the vehicle safely elevated, you can now fully remove all the lug nuts you previously loosened. Place them in a safe spot so they don't roll away. Gently pull the flat tire straight off the wheel studs and set it aside. Now, take your spare tire and carefully align its holes with the wheel studs. Push the spare tire firmly onto the studs until it sits flush against the hub. Once the spare is on, hand tighten the lug nuts as much as you can. Then, slowly lower the vehicle completely to the ground using the jack. With the car on the ground, use your lug wrench to fully tighten each lug nut in a star pattern for even pressure. Double-check the spare tire's pressure and drive cautiously to the nearest service center to repair or replace your original tire.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.